Hey Sparkle lovers, Natalie here from TotallyDazzled.com, joining you live today with my lovely daughter Maya. We're feeling in a crafty mood and we wanted to bedazzle some Easter eggs. I found these eggs at my local dollar store, which were in a kid's crafting kit with some paint supplies. I guess you're supposed to follow this pattern to paint, but I'm going to use the pattern to bedazzle with our ultimate rhinestone applicator kit. So that's what we're going to be doing today. I also wanted to show you guys a fun new product that we have. It's more of our regular bulk stones. So normally the bulk stones come in a pack like this. But we have like a mystery bag version of our stones now called the Rainbow Mix Pack. It's a huge pack of stones, even more than our regular bulk packs, and it's our value item, and it's only $5 for a huge bag like this. And actually, before we came live today, we started working on this Easter egg using the Rainbow Mix Pack, and I just want to show you, we're not even close to being done yet, but like, look at how amazing. Imagine what this is going to look like once it's all done, you guys. Maya only has a little bit of time, so I'm not sure how far we're going to get on it, but just to at least show you guys how it's done. Alright, so to dazzle our Easter eggs, all you're going to need from the kit is your B7000 glue, your wax tip rhinestone picker pen, and a little tray for your stones. Today I'm using just a clear in the size, let's see, SS12. It's on the bigger side, but kind of medium big, I guess. So all I'm going to do, this egg already has like a pre-designed pattern on it. You could freestyle your own pattern on some of these plain eggs that you can find at the dollar stores or craft stores. But this, because it already had a design on it, just seemed easier to do. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to just use the B7000 to trace a small section of the design, and then Maya is going to use the wax tip pen to actually apply the stones. Okay, so grab some stones, Maya. Let's get ready. This is a pretty intricate design, so this might take a while. We'll see how far we get on our live today. Nice. Okay, I got another section of glue ready for you. So we're done our first layer of our design. Hopefully you guys can see that nicely. And we're gonna just keep going and tracing this design that was printed on here, and I think it's gonna be gorgeous. I'm really excited. Okay, let's work on this curvy line now. Okay, Maya? Okay, I'm going to start I'll put the glue on this piece for you. Is it easier if I hold it or you hold it? You want to hold it? Okay. So we're starting on sort of the curvy row now. So you can see where she's traced the design with Bling, and it is looking really good. It's hard to whole second row of Bling. I don't know. Yeah, it is very nice. Okay, and I'll keep working on this one. Show you guys how that's. This is the hardest part. Look at how great! Amazing! I love the way this is turning out. This is so pretty. Okay, so now you're on the straight line. I think that should be the easiest part, probably. how it's coming together. I love it so much. Consuming. Mine is super easy because I'm just covering the entire lighting. I'm just covering the entire thing. It's just a little bit more time consuming, but it's very relaxing. I'll be probably making myself a cup of tea and finishing this off tonight. Wow, that's looking so good. Yeah, okay. I love it. Yeah, I started it and I was like, yes, I'm feeling, normally I'm not that colorful, I have to say, but I really like the way that the rainbow mix is looking on the egg. Are you done? Oh my gosh, I can't believe. So Maya beat me by a long shot. You want to show your egg? Can I hold it up? I can reach a little bit closer than you can. It's so pretty. Look at that! It looks so good! I love it. So what I like to do too, I thought I would show you guys this. The B7000, it's pretty fast drying, but not super fast. So what I do for any time I'm like painting Easter eggs or anything, I just take a cardboard box and stick some toothpicks in it. And then you can just sit your egg on there and it won't mess up your paint or your bling or anything like that. So that's how we're going to be drying them. Winner, because Maya's done and I'm going to try and finish my egg today. Our special bonus live with Maya edition today. Thank you so much everybody for being here and crafting with us. My daughter and I today really appreciate you all sharing some of your Sunday with me. Until next time, I'm Natalie, and this is Maya with TotallyDazzled.com, helping you shine one rhinestone at a time. Bye! Totally Dazzled sells sparkling rhinestone wedding supplies. Check us out at TotallyDazzled.com. But before you do, click up here and download our free Printable Sparkle Quotes. Or click down here and watch one of our other awesome tutorials.